What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Welcome back to Vlogmas day, I think this is 14, I think I want to say. It's crazy, guys. We've literally, me and Nick and Daniel, we've been vlogging every single day for you guys. It's crazy. I don't know, I thought one of us would tap out for sure and you know, not have a vlog ready, but I don't know, we're still pushing through, we're still making it. But right now we are on new camera settings, guys. So I took off active steady shot and it might be a little more shaky, but we do have a wider angle view here. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, the homie Beamer Fan picked up a new car, guys. A new BMW M car. So if you guys don't know Beamer Fan, he has a white F82 M4, mineral white, super clean. Today, he picked up a new car. Well, I think it got shipped from like out of state down to here in California, LA. So we're waiting for him to pull up. I'm gonna take some pictures of his car. He's gonna do like a little reveal. So you guys gotta go check out his channel. And I'm waiting for him to pull up. I think I have an idea. I think he told me what it was, what kind of car or BMW it is, but I'm not gonna say what model. But he picked up a new car and he asked me if I want to take some pictures of it. So we're at the famous Amazon. As you guys know, we're always shooting back here because it's just such a good spot, guys. Like, it's just such a good spot. You don't get kicked out. You got a sick ass view. Look at this. Anyways, if you guys want to comment down below, what kind of car do you think the homie Beamer Fan picked up? Comment down below right now. But the GTS looking clean. Sheesh. Looks fire. All right, guys. I see him. Damn. Oh my gosh, that's just fire, bro. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. You gotta wait. Hold up. He's pulling up. Oh my gosh. I knew it. What's good, Rich? Congrats. What's going on?
I appreciate it.
Oh my, bro, this color's, I've never seen this color. Wow, fire, bro. This color's sick, and I like the color on the wheels too. Wow, and you got the, yup.
6 speed.
Oh, and manual. Damn. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. Are you guys ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Damn, G82 with the laser lights, with the bucket seats. Super nice combination. What color is this?
Quarter mile blue.
Quarter mile blue. Look at that. It's got like some metallic in it. Got the bucket seats with like a white color and 6-speed manual.
Yes, sir.
Damn. This is fire, bro. Oh my gosh, guys. G82 M4. Super clean. Bro, congrats. Seriously. How are you liking it so far? Wait, when did you... Bro.
So I got it Thursday in Oregon.
Wow.
And I drove it down.
You drove it down?
Yeah.
And how'd you like it?
Loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's still a lot more to learn, but...
Yeah, for sure. Compared to the F82?
Yeah.
How do you, like, different?
It's different.
Yeah,
I feel like
for sure.
It's the best of my E39 and 5.
Yeah.
It's the manual, it's got the low end power, the torque. But then you get the coupe aspect from the F82.
Yeah.
The styling. It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna take some photos of his car. We're gonna use this background because it's super nice. We got the blue, and I feel like these colors are pretty subtle, so it'll make the color pop a lot. And we're gonna get some dope photos of his car. But seriously, guys, fire. If you guys didn't know, I'm also a photographer. I shoot photos. I mostly shoot automotive, but I also shot like birthday parties, engagement. I shot weddings, but mostly automotive. So yeah, we're gonna use the shots like this. You want to leave the headlights on? So we show the light. I think the car needs to be on. And now we're gonna get some back shots of the car. Sheesh, this angle is crazy. The Amazon people saying what's up. But yeah, guys, these shots are gonna be bangers. I'm telling you, I only shoot bangers, guys. And it's crazy. I only shoot one click. I don't need anything else because I already know that that shot is gonna be the one. I'll show you guys another one, a little sneak peek. But damn, that should look fire. It's just so nice, guys. Especially when the sun hits the paint. It's so nice. Look at the carbon roof. I like how BMW did like this right here on the roofs. Nice little design, little touch. Got the spoiler. But I'm sure you have big plans for this car. I know it. For sure, he's gonna lower it. Carbon stuff, exhaust. tune, downpipe, all that stuff is gonna be.
Wheel, steering wheel,
Yeah.
shifter.
POVs are about to be crazy, guys. This is the POV king right here. It's crazy. That's actually where the inspiration comes from actually me doing the POVs, because of Beamer Fam. If you guys know, he has the craziest POVs, and some of the videos have gone stupid viral, like crazy, guys. Like it's insane. I think, what was the biggest one that you got? It's at 86, I think. Holy shit, bro. Can you guys imagine your reel hitting almost 100 million views? Bro, that's insane, guys. That is crazy. Yeah, one of his reels got 86. Was it the one where your girl shifted for you?
Yeah.
Bro. That's crazy. Yeah, he got the most important things that you could get in a G82. It's funny, me and Danny were talking about this the other day, but it's a must to have the lasers and the bucket seats. Forget about everything else. And like you said, the carbon roof, of course, yes. Everything else could be like added on, you know. But for sure, laser lights are a must, and buckets. I feel like this car needs bucket seats. The comfort seats are nice, but you already know buckets is a must. It's the way to go. And you drove it from, you said you went up north, and you came down. How long was the drive?
About 13 hours.
13 hours? How was it with the buckets?
Honestly, bro, it was comfortable.
Good, right? They're not bad.
Like, me and my girl had no issues. The
Yeah.
only issues was like when you keep getting in and out of the car.
The bolsters on the side?
It's just like getting in cardboard.
Yeah, it's true.
It's like once you're in them, it's fine.
Yeah, because one of my homies he just got a M8, and he has the carbon bucket seats on the M8. And we went to Vegas, and that's like a 4-hour drive, 5-hour drive. And it wasn't bad. Like, I wasn't like uncomfortable. My back didn't hurt, nothing. But yeah, the side bolsters, that's where it's a pain to get out of. But
Yeah, for sure.
you drove longer, you drove 13 hours. So that's why I was like, I wonder how was it 13 hours in these seats. But
I thought I was gonna need a chiropractor. But I don't.
yeah, no, it's good. No, that's really good. Oh, I was say, what are you gonna do with the grill? Are you just gonna leave it, or do like that CSL style, I think they call it, or something like that? Where
Yeah, I think the CSL. Because it's
pretty cool.
The Vorsteiner, I'm kind of a little more biased towards the CSL.
yeah,
DRL, the hood too. I want to do the hood. Like,
what do they have on the
Felix's?
Oh, okay, yeah, I seen Felix. Yeah, he has it's a carbon, right? I think it is. Yeah.
I think it's Alpha Ed.
Yeah, like the vents are actually functional. I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like kind of reminiscent of the race car, the GT3 car.
Yeah, that should be hard too. So it's crazy, guys. Eric was saying that. So there's a 21, but all 6-speed manuals only come rear-wheel drive. They do not come all-wheel drive, which I didn't know that. But I knew that the manuals don't come comp. So if there was comp, it would say M4 competition, but 6-speed manuals don't come comp. And they only come rear-wheel drive, which I feel like is more fun. But yeah, once he finishes completing this car, it's gonna be insane. Yeah, this color is fire. If you do decide to wrap it, you should wrap it orange. Imagine, you wrap it orange, Photoshoot with E92. Or, you know, it'd be sick too, stealth PPF.
Yeah.
It would look like a frozen blue,
Yeah,
frozen Portimao blue. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that you can do, like even up to the wraps we were just talking about. You could wrap it, stealth PPF it, you know. But I don't know, I feel like there's nothing like having paint, you know. You can detail it, buff, wax, all that stuff. But on wraps, you got to be a little more careful, especially like on frozen colors. You can't like do any of that like how you would do on paint. So
I still got redwood needles on the floor mats.
oh my, yeah. Yeah, that's a long drive, 13 hours. So much stuff to do to this car. It's crazy.
I can do,
Shit, nice.
Like the app on this car is crazy for my phone.
Remote start, all that stuff, right?
All of it, I can view it like from the cameras, like
That's
3D
crazy.
view.
360? No way. So somebody's messing around with your car, you can check?
Yeah.
Damn.
Make it so they notify you when someone's by it and stuff like that too.
That's dope.
There's a lot I gotta learn with the tech.
I love that we like the remote start on this. So like you're like there's like those early ass car meets, you know, you can just start your car up while you're getting ready and stuff. So when you're in the car, it's ready to go, warmed up, you know.
That's what Daniel was doing.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, flexing.
That's a flex, yeah. You guys got to check out his channel down below. I'll put it in the description box down below. Follow him on Instagram as well, and check out all his POVs, all the viral POVs.
It's gloss. So this is gloss gray, and then everything
and the
else.
inside is like a matte.
Yeah, I think certain angles, it's like it's kind of glossy.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna get a shot of the two cars together. Let's get a little photo shoot on. All right. Let's see. I think we might do like a little V shape. Look at that. They want to use this photo. That's baller. And it's crazy, guys, because Mercedes themselves actually have been posting my photography work too. They tagged me when I took pictures of this SL. Let's make sure. Posted this. I took these photos as well. And then also right here again. This Mercedes. They fuck with your boy because they know your boy takes banger photos only. Look at that. Damn, who's killing it like me, bro? Y'all gotta go follow me on my photography page. As you guys know, I only post bangers. Look at that. It's only bangers, bro. Sheesh. Look at that. GTS times G82, guys. Fire. It's crazy how much the design has changed so much. Yeah, you're riding monster truck high right now. But soon you're gonna be low too. Yeah, guys, well, there you have it. The homie Eric picked up his new G82 and it's gonna be insane. Like I said, go to his channel, congratulate him. The video's already up, so go check it out. And congrats once again, bro. Seriously.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
You guys enjoy it?
Yes, sir. I tell you, these exhausts have changed so much. They're so much more refined, these exhausts. Way different, deeper. Ooh. You guys hear that? The valves. That's a proper way to exit. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.